Her license is suspended for DUI, and she has a prior fetal testing. Right now, place your hands behind your back.
No! Ow! Ow!
In recent years, incidents involving intoxicated individuals have drawn significant attention, shedding light on the challenges law enforcement faces in maintaining public safety.
Okay, just sit right back here.
Seriously, you guys about to make you break?
Okay.
No, I was not drinking. That was probably fun last night.
Here we delve into 4 separate encounters, each illustrating the complexities and consequences of impaired behavior.
Why are you sitting here lying to me?
Because somebody was attacking me. Please don't put me under arrest.
Come over here.
I wasn't the primary aggressor, though. I wasn't, though.
From a woman who engaged in a brawl with another woman to an older woman who showed an absolutely roguish nature, here are some incidents where drunk mother realized she's been caught.
All right, right now you're under arrest for disorderly intoxication and resisting arrest without violence. You wasn't what?
The incident is centered around a woman. On the 7th of October 2022, in Jupiter, Palm Beach County, Florida, the police were dispatched to a bowling alley upon hearing a fight was in progress. Thus, the authorities didn't waste any time and rushed to the spot to check what was going on. Right after reaching the location, the authorities cited the woman and didn't hesitate to respond in accordance with the situation. During questioning, she tried to diverge the cops and tried to blame the other party. Did her tactics come to fruition?
Here.
I'm leaving.
Right
I'm leaving.
No, you were not.
I'm leaving.
No, you were not.
I'm leaving. Look, I'm leaving. No, please.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not.
This is until we figure out what's going on.
Okay,
Get against my car.
listen.
Get against my car.
You don't
I
have
will
to,
charge you with resisting if you keep
don't
doing
have
that.
You don't have to put me in the hand.
If I tell you to do something, you're going to do it. Do you understand? Keep her up a little bit.
You don't have to put me in any handcuffs.
I do, because you're not listening.
No,
Turn
I'm
around.
listening.
Turn around.
I'm listening.
Until we figure out what's going on, you're going to stay in handcuffs. That officer told you not to leave. You were trying to leave.
I wasn't trying to leave.
Yes, you were.
No,
You told me multiple times, and it's recorded. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Why are you sitting here lying to me?
Because somebody was attacking me.
Okay, then why would you not stay and talk to us?
Because I'm scared.
Obviously, you're not scared if you're trying to leave and the police are here.
I'm just trying to leave. That's all. Please.
You just told me you weren't trying to leave.
Please.
Pick a story and stick to it.
I'm not trying to pick a story. I was attacked. Okay?
Okay, we'll get that in a minute.
Okay?
If I take you out of handcuffs, are you going to be
Yes, yes, I promise.
Okay.
I promise. I promise.
cool? All right, turn it off for me.
I have a little 5-year-old.
You're fine.
I'm not trying to start any fights.
You're fine. I want you to sit against the front of my back.
Here, listen.
Right here.
I had somebody who was attacking me.
Okay. So just because I put you in handcuffs, technically what I have to do is I have to read your Miranda rights. Doesn't mean you're in trouble. Doesn't mean anything like that.
But I promise
Okay.
I'm not a problem.
Okay, you're very
I'm trying to
remain
leave
silent.
with my son.
Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You're right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You can afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any questioning if you wish. You can decide at the time to exercise these rights. It's not to answer any questions. Do you understand the rights I have to? Okay, like I said, after those cues, because you are in my custody, because I put you in handcuffs. Start to finish, tell me what happened.
I just walked out of the bowling alley. I was trying to get Uber home, and this woman started yelling profanities at me. I don't know. I don't have my glasses on. I have glasses, so they were knocked off. They're somewhere over here.
Were you hit?
Yeah, I was.
Where were you hit?
In the face.
In the face? Where in the face? Close your eyes. Can you point in your face where you were hit?
In my mouth.
Your mouth? Can you open your mouth for me? Okay. Wide, just so I can see if there's any blood. Okay, do you normally get blood analysis?
No.
No?
No. I don't want any. I just want to go home.
You don't want to press charges or anything?
No.
Okay.
I just want to go home with my son.
So, what was the argument over? What was it over?
It was over nothing. Over just.
Okay.
Don't you say we have to go talk to
Yeah.
lady, and I don't know what you're talking about. You gotta go talk to her.
All right.
I'm not here.
Hers?
Right now. Yeah.
Okay.
The police officer also engaged with the other woman who was involved in that messed up situation. Throughout their conversation, she disclosed some catchy and exhilarating information.
Yeah.
I'm Officer White with Jupiter Police Department.
Nice to meet you.
Who else is involved here? Because I see there's a lot of people.
That lady over there.
Okay, just you two? Was that?
It was just us two.
No one else was here?
I mean, this guy. That's who. I mean, she started it because I was talking to him. But,
Okay.
I mean,
What were you talking about?
he was just telling us, he was like, that something happened like with his car, and that the lady was like calling an Uber, and that he was like texting her, and then my cousin and my boyfriend walked away. I don't know where they went. He's a little mad at me right now.
Okay.
But he was just talking to us like, oh, my girlfriend or whoever she is. He was like, this woman. He just kept saying, this girl's mad at me, blah, blah, blah. And then she was standing like over there by that tree.
Okay.
And all you hear is her come over like, oh, I'm a blah, 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 blah.
Uh-huh.
So they walked away, and I went to start walking, and she was like, get on his or something. And I was like, tell your girl to get out of my face. That's literally it. And
You
I walked.
said that to him?
Yeah, I said that to him. And I walked back over to my car, and she's like, speed walking towards my car, and she's like, you're a blah, blah. I don't even know this lady from a can of paint. I don't even come to Jupiter. This is like my first time to Jupiter in this year. And she's like screaming at me, and she's like speed walking over here. So I put my stuff down, and she's like, she threw her phone. So I threw her phone back at her.
Where'd she throw her phone?
Over there. Oh, well, she
Like
was
just
standing over there, but
out
she threw it at me. Like she literally
Sure.
swung it at
You
me.
step back just one step
Oh yeah,
forward,
I'm
please.
sorry.
No, you're good.
She threw it at me, so I threw it back at her. And I was like, girl, I don't even know you. But then she swung, so I swung. I was like, I'm not letting this
So
woman hit
where'd she try to hit you?
my face.
Did she hit you?
No.
No, okay.
She grabbed my hair, and I was like, how does my hair feel?
When did she grab your hair?
After she threw the phone.
After she threw the phone, so is that before or after she tried to punch you?
Like, she went to like swing, but like
And
she
then-
grabbed my head.
So she grabbed your hair?
Yeah,
so it wasn't
instead of, she went to swing, like
but
I saw her
she was
hand.
able to get a handful
She
of
was
hair.
able to grab
Okay.
my hair.
Alright.
And then that guy came over and was like, let go of her hair, let go of her hair, let go of her hair. And then the kid came over. So I let go because I was like, I'm not even going to touch this woman. There's a kid right here. I'm not hitting this kid. So I backed up. And when I backed up, this guy, I don't even know who went, that guy over there. He was like, back up, back up, back up. So I backed up. And she kept talking.
Yeah.
So I just stood back. And I was like, I'm not hitting you in front of a kid. That's the last thing I'm doing.
Yeah.
I'm not hitting this kid by mistake. She kept running, like, she was in between him and I don't even know who else, maybe this guy. And she was literally like passing him to come over here. So I stood there because I was like, I'm not letting you hit the people I'm with. That's one thing you're not gonna do. So I stood there. Her phone was on the ground again. I threw it at her again, and then that was it. And then the guy that walked inside was like, the cops are on their way, and I said, I'll wait for the cops. I was like, I'll wait for the cops before I go back inside.
Yeah. So
And
the
he
fight was just between you two, no one else?
Yeah,
was
no, it
fighting,
was just
anything
between
like
us. No.
that? Okay. All right, so she grabbed your hair, and after that, you went into self-defense.
Yeah.
That's what I'm getting at this. Okay. What was she saying while she was?
Blah, blah, blah. Like literally, like you're mad because he was talking to me. That's literally what it
so
was.
all started from you talking to whoever
Just
that guy is
us
over
talking to him.
there? Okay. And did he witness all this happen?
Yes.
And you don't know who he is
Nope.
prior to this? Who were you? You were here with your cousins?
My
and
cousin,
stuff?
my boyfriend, but my boyfriend left because I kind of screamed at him to get off of me because I was mad.
Okay.
And he got mad, so he walked away. I mean, I tried calling him, telling him that you guys were on your way back.
Yeah.
Or on your way here, but he's not answering. That's his brother-in-law, his sister-in-law. I think they're on the phone with him.
Now, I got to talk to some witnesses and stuff, but if this does lead to where that person's a violator, arrested, do you want to press charges?
I'm good.
No?
Honestly, I'm good.
Okay.
It was
All right.
literally over something stupid. I'm not
Okay.
going to worry about it. She didn't.
got you.
She didn't hit me enough to like hurt me.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Let me talk to him, then I'll get you guys case numbers and I'll get you out here, okay?
That's perfect. Am I going to be able to go back inside? Because that other guy told me. The
That'll be
manager-
up to the establishment.
Yeah, the manager said I can go back inside. He just told me to wait to talk to you guys.
If you're cool with them and they're cool. Then
All right, perfect.
Seemingly, the authorities were done with the investigation part. Subsequently, they took the necessary steps based on all the information they gathered. Suddenly, the woman's boyfriend emerged, complicating matters with his imprudent actions.
Okay, we're going to talk over here for a second. Come here. So, the girl over there doesn't want to press charges. You obviously were the primary aggressor on multiple witnesses saying that you would want to grab her hair first. We're not even going to go down that road. She doesn't want to press charges. Okay? However, keep your hands on your pants. Turn around. All right, right now you're under arrest for disorderly intoxication and resisting arrest without violence. You wasn't what? It wasn't what?
Aggressor.
I know.
Promise.
That's why I said she's not pressing charges.
Please don't put me under arrest.
Come over here.
No, please. Please don't put me under arrest. I wasn't the primary aggressor, though. I wasn't, though.
48, thank you. Okay.
I promise.
Like I said, and she's 15 disintox. And already done. Listen, I already told you she's not pressing charges for the battery. You were under arrest for disorderly intoxication and resisting arrest without violence. Okay? Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt this officer when she searches you?
No, not at all.
Okay.
No.
Let me get a bag.
Just face the car for me. You don't have to stuff on. It's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me.
I
Needles,
don't
knives,
have
anything like that.
anything. Okay. Please don't put me under arrest.
35.
But I wasn't the one who initiated anything.
Like I said, that's not even the issue anymore. That's long gone.
Didn't do anything.
Stay facing the car.
Wait, we're done with the other girl?
Yeah, everyone else is good to go. Everyone else is good.
Please don't arrest me. Please.
We're already past that point.
Please.
Can I go to the better half?
Yeah, that bag is. You're cool with your boyfriend takes that bag? Husband, whoever he is? Do you want this stuff put in it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I do.
Alright, do you want like your necklace and earrings put in there?
Please, sir. I don't understand why I'm being arrested, though.
I've already told you, disorderly intoxication.
But
resisting
for
arrest
what,
without violence.
though? But for what?
We'll go over that later. So you're cool if he takes your necklace and cards and stuff? Yes? No?
I haven't done anything though. I'm very confused.
How much alcohol have you had tonight? Be honest with me, please.
I mean, not
Please,
a lot.
please be
I'm
straight.
confused as to why I would be
Okay,
getting
on a
arrested
scale-
when somebody
on a scale
attacked
of
me.
1 stone cold sober, 10 drunkest you ever been. What would you rate yourself right
2.
now? 2? Okay. Take a seat for me. That bag can go to your boyfriend, right? Can you see it? Hello? Can this bag go to your boyfriend? Yes? Okay, thank you.
All right.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
What's going on, my old lady?
She's going to be arrested.
Wait, is she walking away?
Yes, sir.
Because I want to say she fired off first then.
Okay. Well, we did our investigation. We already determined the primary aggressor.
What
How are
do
you
mean?
getting- how
How
are
did
you
you
getting
determine
home,
it?
sir?
I'm doing by Uber. How did
Okay.
you determine that?
The investigating officer determined that she was the primary
Who's the
aggressor.
investigating officer? Because he has video. That girl walked up on her first and pulled her by the hair.
Okay.
No, seriously. Before you take my old lady away,
She's not getting arrested for that.
what's she getting arrested for?
Disorderly intoxication.
What about her?
She's not intoxicated.
Yes, she
And
is.
she listened to us.
Are you kidding me? She is. Why are you going to do that to her? Like, seriously,
Yeah,
it's the
I'm
mother of my child.
I'm going to explain it to you.
I'm telling you,
Let
no,
me
no,
talk.
listen to me though. This is the mother of my child. That girl walked up to her and grabbed her by the hair. I watched the whole thing of it.
Okay, but nobody's going to jail for that. That's a
Well,
wash.
why is she going to jail?
She's going to jail for not listening to officers.
Well, can we solve this some other way, dude? Listen, she's a
We
great
cannot.
woman. Honestly, officer, let me tell you.
When we come on scene, you have to listen to what we tell you.
I know.
Okay?
Look,
You have to.
I know
She did not
Eric.
do that.
I know Eric was there. I
She
know
did
all the
not do
people.
that.
She's a great person. Can we please?
She's probably a
handle
great
this-
person when she's
I know.
sober.
Can we do a written? Can we do a written? Is there any way we can do this
No, she has
differently?
to go to gun club.
No, come on, guys. Like,
All right.
seriously, dude. I got the video. We'll get the video. I'll subpoena the video. I got multiple lawyers. We'll
Well, not-
subpoena the video. She got attacked.
That's over and done with.
I know what
She's
she
getting
did,
arrested
though.
for
She
not
really got
listening to
attacked, though.
officers.
I know.
What
No,
happened, sir?
guys, listen. We'll subpoena the video. She got attacked first. She got her hair
You're not
pulled.
listening to what I'm saying.
I am listening to what you're saying.
Then why do
You're
you
trying
keep
to
bringing
say
up
she has
It's
consent?
not for any
bullet.
kind of battery. It's for
Are you joking?
disintox.
Yes,
That's
sir.
it.
Just without.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Is what he's saying.
so is the other woman. Are you kidding me? Did you breathalyze her?
Don't have to.
Why not?
Because I
You
said
do
so.
due diligence.
That is over. That situation
What do you mean it's over? Because you
No one's
decide.
going to jail for that.
I know.
Nobody
But
wants
did
to
you
press
do due
charges.
diligence? Did you?
Yes,
I
we
do.
did.
Did
We
you
did.
breathalyze her?
I'm not talking to you anymore. So
Okay, exactly. Because you know, if you breathalyze her, you know she'd be intoxicated,
That
right?
has nothing to do with it.
It does have to do it.
she
Because you
go?
arrested. No, you arrested his mother for being intoxicated.
No,
but
she
you
didn't
all.
get arrested for intoxicated.
What'd you just tell me?
She got
What-
arrested
what'd
for
you
not
tell me?
listening to
Disorderly
officers.
intoxicated.
Disorderly intoxication.
It's
So
more than
it's
just being drunk.
So
an
she's
aspect of
disorderly
disorderly.
intoxicated. So let me tell you something. She's disorderly
She'll be
intoxicated.
home when you wake up.
She's
Yeah.
no. Don't. don't talk to my son. She's disorderly intoxicated in public by starting a fight with my wife.
No.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is, dude. Yes, she is.
Stop,
Bro, I
stop.
got a lawyer on retainer.
Okay, so go call him, go use
No,
it.
no, that ain't the point. The point is, I want you to breathalyze her. I want you to see.
No, we don't do that.
Oh, so you guys don't do
breathalyze people.
So you don't
Just
do
antox.
due diligence and figure out what the actually is going
You
on.
don't get breathalyzed for just
So you're just gonna arrest my old lady
For not listening to the police, yes.
What she did not listen.
She didn't listen when we gave her
I know.
command.
Can
She
you
did
tell
not
me?
listen.
Can you give me an example?
You asked her when she sobers up. How
No,
about
no.
that?
You tell me as
I
an
don't have to
officer.
tell you anything.
So what are you gonna put in your report?
I'm not writing a report.
Who's writing the report?
Another officer's
Can I
writing.
get the badge number?
Yes, you can.
What
And you
is
can get
it?
a copy of
All
the
right,
report.
cool. What's the badge number? Give me the badge number, and I want to know exactly what they're putting in the report.
Okay, it's Officer Wyatt.
Officer Wyatt. Yeah, dude, trust me, bro. I got lawyers on lawyers on
That's
lawyers.
good. That's good. I'm glad.
Yeah, I know it is. It's really good because people like you that are. So, Officer Wyatt, and what's his badge number?
What is his badge number?
Yeah, well, yeah. Let's all discuss it. No, radio. You're on the same radio, right? Hey, you're all on the same frequency, aren't you? You're all on the same frequency.
How are you
aren't
getting home, sir? How are you getting home?
Uber.
Okay.
Uber.
Is Uber
Or
on the
my
way,
mother. Or my mother. It doesn't matter when they come. I'll go in there and play bowling. Officer Wyatt. What's his badge number?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
Yeah, there you go.
No,
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4.
3. Some bro.
1,
I
2,
know
3, 4.
Eric Cozier. Trust me,
No,
bro.
we
I
don't
know
even
your
know who
shit.
that is.
Yeah.
Good. That was your ex captain
Well,
retired.
we
That's all I
don't
got.
work for him.
Good. I don't care who you
You
work
want to call
for.
John? Go ahead.
John who?
So
Apparently, host with John.
wait, Officer Wyatt, 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yep.
Cool. And I'm going to record you saying that. And then we'll figure it out. So Officer Wyatt, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's his badge number, which is the sketchiest heard of.
We have ID numbers. We
is
don't have
he-
badge numbers.
Is he white, Latino? What is he?
We're done talking to you, sir.
No,
We're done
here.
talking to you.
No, so here, let's do this. No, let's do this real quick. So, I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize.
Is Officer Wyatt 1, 2, 3, 4? Somebody answer me.
Yes.
Officer Wyatt's 1, 2, 3, 4. Is
Yes.
his badge number?
Yes, sir.
That's his badge number. 1, 2, 3,
Yep.
4. And what was the disorderly complaint about? How was she disorderly?
You can ask your wife when she gets out of jail.
No. I would like to know because obviously you got the complaint, right? You're on the same
You
frequency.
can ask your wife when she gets out of jail.
How was Officer Wyatt? Explain to me how she was not being compliant in any way. Badge number, sir? 1212?
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Officer Tappan.
Officer what? Tappan. Sorry.
Have a great night.
Yes, what's your name?
Officer Maroney?
Okay, so now can you explain to me
No, we cannot.
why Officer Wyatt arrested
I
her?
told you already. Three
What-
times.
No, what'd you tell me? No, explain
I'm
it
not
again
going
to
to
me.
repeat it.
Explain it again.
I'm not going to repeat it.
No,
sir.
explain it to me one more time now.
What did I just
How
say?
is she not compliant?
I'm not going to. I explained it to you a bunch of times.
No, but you guys are on the radio, right? You got to know why she ain't compliant. Am I not correct? Why? How is she not compliant with the police?
The woman found herself in tricky circumstances. All of her defenses were futile since law enforcement possessed the weight of evidence amassed against her misdeeds.
Okay. Don't get out yet. Hang on. We gotta wait for this other officer to come up. I'm
I
gonna ask you a
didn't
few
start a
questions.
fight though.
Okay.
I promise you
Okay.
I didn't though.
We're not talking about the fight anymore. The
But
fight doesn't matter.
you're arresting me
For
for,
disorderly
disorderly. But
intoxication.
I wasn't doing
For
anything.
your behavior.
But why isn't she getting arrested too?
Because she's not
Because I didn't
intoxicated.
start it.
She's not intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated.
Okay, listen. How much have you had to drink tonight? Please be straight with me. Be honest.
I haven't had that.
But you have had something?
I can't get arrested.
Okay, listen.
I can't.
I
can't.
smell the odor of alcohol in your breath. You told me that you've been drinking.
All I was trying to do was
listen,
go home.
I need you to be straight with me and be honest. What are you on probation for?
A DUI.
A DUI? And you know you're not supposed to have alcohol, right?
I can't get arrested for this. I can't.
Be honest with me. You
I
know
can't
that that's a
go to
condition
jail
of your
for
probation?
this.
You know that was a condition of your probation, right? Can I have a verbal yes or no?
Does it matter?
I'd like to hear so I can decide what we're going to do. Be honest.
I can't go to jail.
All right, stand up for me.
Yes. Yes.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
The The woman was taken into custody and charged with resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and violation of probation. One of the terms of her probation prohibits her from drinking alcohol. While the woman made things worse for her by engaging in an unnecessary problem with another woman, our next individual showed a completely bellicose nature with the cops. But before that, let's see somebody who was involved in an accident after driving the vehicle in an intoxicated mood.
Go ahead, spit your legs for me.
The incident revolved around a woman named Mary Grace on the 9th of March 2024 in Detroit Avenue, Lakewood, Ohio. Lakewood Police Department officers were dispatched to report a motor vehicle accident that involved 3 vehicles. Since the situation was much worse, the officers decided to inspect the matter. Upon reaching the location, the police contacted the driver, Mary, and started questioning her. But her answers and overall demeanor were incredulous, and for this reason, the authorities' outlook was up in the air.
Ma'am, what's your first and last name?
Mary Grace.
Sorry, what's that? The last name? Okay. Do you have a middle name?
Grace.
Sorry, I could barely hear you.
My name's Mary Grace.
Yeah, okay.
Mary.
Do you have your driver's license?
Probably in the car.
Right here, I just need to get your info, okay? Tell me your first name.
Mary Grace.
Mary Grace. And your last name? Just go ahead and sign this, patting your finger there. It's saying that we're not taking you to the hospital. You didn't want to be checked out. All that stuff, okay? That'll work.
No, can I read with that, please?
Get my sleeve. Alright, you gonna try that again? Alright. Thank you.
Mary, I'm sorry, you said you're... Yeah, okay.
So what we're going to do, we're going to have you write a statement pretty much what happened. We'll have you fill out a little statement form for us, okay?
Mary Grace, you remember what happened?
Yeah, I just slammed into a car.
Okay. Can I get your statement for the accident?
Just describe in your own words as best as you can pretty much what happened. You don't have to worry about any of this. Yeah, just right here. Just write anything that happened, okay? So yeah, that's it for you. You're right. I'll hold it for you. Is that you done?
No, can I have another one of those, please?
Another one?
Yeah.
What is this, statement?
Yeah.
No, it's just a
Yeah.
big piece of paper.
There you go. Here's a fresh one for you.
Thank you.
You want me to hold it? I know it's a little heavy. You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Since Mary's posture was skeptical and her involvement in the accident, the police deliberated on their course of action. If a driver's demeanor is doubtful, the police possess the authority to check his or her condition. The same policy went for Mary. To check her condition, the cops instigated modern techniques. Was that enough to determine her original state? We'll find out.
Tip of my pen this entire time, all right? Do not turn or move your head. All right? You understand these instructions?
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay. Just keep your eyes on the tip of this pen. Just follow with
these things that I need to do right now?
I just want to make sure. Yeah, I just want to make sure you're safe to drive. All right.
Well, I'm not planning on driving a car anymore.
Nope. Okay.
So, are these things that I need to agree to right now?
I'm going you through to make sure that you were safe to drive. Okay. So there's a couple tests we got to do. One for no test, we'll get you out of here.
I just got to do a few tests in you. All right.
All right.
All right.
I mean, this, okay.
Okay.
But
just keep your eyes on the tip of my pen, all right? Try not to move your head.
I'm not moving my head.
Okay. All right. You're doing good, all right? All right. All right, Mary. I'm just gonna have you do. It's called a walk and turn test. So you put your feet together like this, arms to your side. All right. So when I tell you to begin, you're gonna put your right foot. So actually, just do it right now. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe, touching. So put your right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your left foot. So there you go. All right. All right. Just keep them like that. Oh, don't start yet. Yep. Just keep them like that. All right. When I tell you to begin, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps on this imaginary line. We're just gonna pretend there's a line right here. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 9 heel to toe steps on the line, so forth until you get to 9 heel to toe steps. Once you get to 9 heel to toe steps, with your right foot, with your rear foot, you're going to take a series of, yeah. So, all right. So you're going to put your.
Also, but why are you doing this to me?
I just want to make sure you're safe to drive.
I just need you to step back in position for me, please. Okay. Step out so we can explain it to you, so you can see what's going on.
Or you want to actually? Let's get her on this side. This good? Okay. Mary, so put your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe. Like this.
I'm watching you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll show you.
In that position.
I need you to get in that.
You didn't ask me to do that, but okay.
I did. All right. So stay like that. Put your arms to your side. All right. Don't begin until I tell you to. When I tell you. Oh, okay. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on an imaginary straight line. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 9 heel-to-toe steps. With your back foot, you're going to take a series of small steps around your front foot, like this, Mary. When you turn around, you're going to take another 9 heel-to-toe steps back in the line, like this. 1, 2, 3, so forth until you get to 9 heel-to-toe steps. You understand these instructions?
I have 9 heel-to-toe steps, and then I turn around and do 9 heel-to-toe steps.
Yes. When I tell you to begin, you're going to count your steps out loud. Keep your arms to your side. Don't begin until I tell you to begin. All right?
Yeah.
All right. All right. You may begin the test. Keep your arms to your side.
Yeah, they are. I'm failing all that. So
keep going.
No, you're doing good.
I'm failing it.
Oh, try your best. All right. All right, Mary. I just got to do one more test on you, all right?
Okay. Come back over where you were. I started, okay?
All right. Just put your feet together, arms to your side. I'm going to say, you got it? All right. When I tell you to begin, you're going to lift either leg approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's going to look like this. You're going to point your toe forward. And you're going to hold it up until I tell you to stop. And you're going to count out loud 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000 until I tell you to stop. You understand these instructions?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
You know.
Yep. You can begin. Yep.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000.
Keep going.
10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000.
I don't need to stop.
You're good.
Stop.
Okay.
After carefully assessing the circumstances, law enforcement reached a pivotal decision, leading Mary toward an inevitable outcome.
Can you please not do that to me?
Mary, you're under arrest for OVI, right?
I'm
There you go. You're also shut away. Yeah, let me get this a little tighter. I'll take it.
I'm not sure why you're acting like this, but I'm gonna walk.
What's going on, Mary?
I'm saying I will walk with you. I'm not sure why you're making offers to do one way or the other.
Alright, well, right now you're under arrest for operating a vehicle under the influence, okay?
I understand.
Alright, we're gonna walk. I should stay here with her real quick?
Yep.
Mary, is this your name, right?
Yeah. Can we not stand in the middle of the...
If you want to step under here, yep.
Well, this is obviously terribly...
No, just say where you are. Okay.
Just got my search now.
Alright.
Thank you.
I'm just curious, but do you have permission to look in my stuff?
Well, you're under arrest, so.
No, this is like my genuine question.
Do you have anything sharp on you, dear?
No.
Like,
Yeah.
like.
If you need me a hole for you.
Go ahead, lift your arms up for me. Go ahead, spread your legs for me. Stretch.
All good? Come here. We're gonna walk over to this car, okay? Down here, take a right, okay?
Yeah. This, you want to put her on this side? I'll put the dome line up.
Hey, McCarthy, just unlock it, please.
Yep, sir.
We get there, we'll let you use your phone and stuff, okay? I need you to stand by. Do you have the forms?
What forms?
The here we go. Actually,
which ones are they?
I'll show you. I'll just show you. It's just easier. Drop that.
For the OVI. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah,
This one?
Yeah, I don't have those.
You don't have those?
No. Mm-mm.
your head. So read here. This card, okay?
Miranda.
Yep. It's just a Mary Grace. Before we ask any questions, read it. This whole thing, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, yes.
Oh, you did? Okay. All right. Mary, what do you say? What? All right, well, I got to ask you I got to read this to you, okay? All right, so, Mary, before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to an attorney for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have with you during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without an attorney present, you will have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to an attorney. Further, you have the right to have an attorney present during questioning. Do you understand your rights as they've been read to you? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes. They're going to sign that later on, so put the date. So it's the 9th.
Yep.
At 013 hours. Mary, with that in mind, do you want to answer any questions? No? Okay.
Sure.
That's it.
Cool.
Have Mario sign it.
Yep.
Appreciate it. Hold on to that. You hop in. Roll through the window. Good to go.
Right.
Actually, just hang out with me.
All right.
Thank you.
Just keep this on, right? No?
Turn off.
Right. Nicole.
Mary was charged with the following offenses: OVI, failure to wear a seatbelt, and failure to control. As mentioned before, now we will see someone who stuck with her belligerency and made things worse for her.
So go through the test. If you pass the test, your test put me under arrest. Come on, let's go.
The incident revolved around a woman. On the 24th of April, 2023, in Morristown, Hanover Township, Morris County, New Jersey, a woman was about to go to the courthouse. Before that, the police wanted to take some tests due to her doubtful condition, which she refused to comply. As a result, things became very complicated. The woman engaged in an argument with the officers. Despite the cops' repetitive words of the reason, she wasn't willing to listen to it and stuck to her belligerency. As a result, the outlook of law enforcement drastically changed.
First of all, he just told me a few minutes ago that I can have a designated driver to drive me back to the house.
Hold on.
I'm not. No.
Man, start.
No.
Okay, just sit right back here.
Seriously, you guys about to break your brain?
Okay, relax. We're good to go. You're good to go.
Okay.
He was talking with you the entire time.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Do it.
She told me to leave. She's drunk. She drove here drunk. And she calling you guys on me, but she drove here drunk. I'm getting my stuff and I'm leaving. You could watch the cameras. She was pushing me the whole time in the parking lot trying to keep me from getting my stuff.
No, I asked him to give me my keys to my vehicle so I can go and proceed in court.
But she wouldn't let me unlock the car to get my stuff.
No.
No, I didn't. I said,
he kept holding my
let
keys.
me unlock the car and you can have it.
Okay, so let them watch the cameras.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah. Let them watch the
And then
cameras.
you're going to look stupid. Because you're drunk. You're not even making sense. You're drunk. I'm sober.
You think
I'm
drunk.
sober.
What the
You're drunk. You was stumbling the whole time you walked in here and you drove. So figure that out. How you gonna explain that? Explain that to them. Since you want to call them, explain that.
Okay.
Now you got yourself into
So they can do a breathalyzer.
Yeah, they can. And you're gonna be
correct.
You're gonna
correct.
Because you denied the breathalyzer when you got your DUI. That's what you're here for. So you're not making no sense. Now you're gonna get get another ticket. Because you want to try to flip it on me because you know I'm a man and you know they're gonna try to come at me. But I didn't do anything.
Yeah.
So what happened?
Nothing. We were in the court. I was perfectly fine. I was in the court, and he came in there, and we just started arguing back and forth. And I said to him, I said, listen, if you're going to be salty or you're going to be upset or whatever the case is, just give me back my car keys because he had my car keys.
Why did he have your car keys?
Because he just had them. He
Okay.
just had them in his own pocket.
Okay, so then what about...
So I said, give me back my car keys so I can finish my court session or whatever.
Okay.
And then he was like, no, I'm not going to give the car keys, blah, blah, blah.
Okay, did you guys come here together?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God. This is absolutely
Okay. So why was he getting upset?
I don't know. He always gets upset for every single reason. I just told him, just give me my car keys so I can go to court.
Why did you need your car keys to go in the court?
Because I just want to make...
You said you drove here?
Yes, I drove here. This is my vehicle.
Okay.
I own this vehicle, not him.
Gotcha.
So basically, I just said...
So I'm just going to move this car door off for this other car.
Yeah. Yes, I know.
Is it in your purse?
This is ridiculous. What?
Don't even talk. Don't even talk.
It's ridiculous. That's what you do with little boys. Here's my driver's license with my social too.
Your license good.
I came here from my court case.
Yeah.
And he's messing up my court case.
We guys
how is he messing up your court case?
We came together, right?
We came together because he was supposed to be here to support me, but unfortunately he's not here to support me. He's supposed to be here to mess me up. I can go back into court and just go through what I care about him, I care about anything. Oh my God, I grabbed this on.
What time is it?
Right now.
Right now?
Okay.
Yeah, drop it. 2-7, pop X-ray Nancy. Are you crying?
The officer said stop talking before you get arrested.
Who did? Who said stop talking?
The officers.
Okay.
With him.
Okay.
I'm not even trying to do nothing. I just
Okay.
want to go feel. I'm just go to work.
I got you. Okay. You guys live together?
No.
We're all good. You got his form. He's good to go.
He can get out of here.
Can you give him a 14 to Walmart?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not right. What the hell doing?
It's going
want
to
everyone leaving
I'm just kidding.
peacefully. Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
All right, 1,000 route time.
Yep. That's it. You're good to go. I got everything that I need. Like I said, court. The case number's right there at the top for you. All right. That's it.
Just bring it over here.
Wow.
Hurry up, bro.
She drove here. Yeah.
She did.
What?
Yes, I did.
Test her? She looks drunk to me just from looking at her.
Okay.
Can you test? She did?
I can.
Have you been?
I haven't been. It's been a while since I have.
All you get
I was going to ask you with that.
No, I'm not.
Okay, well, they're going to test you.
What kind of testing?
Well, you standardized fields.
Right.
Hold on a second. First of all,
yeah,
I'm going to choose everything right now because I am not intoxicated.
Okay, all you have to do is run through the test.
That's it.
I mean, you've been talking to me. You seem like you're fine.
You've been talking the entire time, so.
Correct. However, I do not. No.
Well, here's our problem. You said that you drove here, right? You drove here. You're on camera.
No, I did not drive here. He drove here.
Okay.
You're on camera driving. Is that something?
First of all, he just told me a few minutes ago that I could have a designated driver to drive me back to the house.
Hold on.
I'm not. No. No. No.
Ma'am.
No. No.
Okay, just sit right back here.
Seriously, you guys about to make you breathe.
Okay. Relax.
What are you going to just run to the top? If you're good to go, you're good to go.
Okay.
He was talking with you the entire time.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Do it. What test? What test?
Finally, the woman decided to obey the orders and law enforcement began the procedure. However, her bellicose nature appeared again and that induced the cops to act on that account. Soon she found herself in a problematic atmosphere.
This is crazy. He just said I was fine. I'm getting a designated driver to pick me up.
Okay. We just got to put some tests.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. That's fine.
Figure out what I'm saying. Hey, he said he did not drive, right?
Yeah, he said he did drive.
Okay.
The Equinox right there.
This is ridiculous.
You spoke to this officer. Just
freaking kidding me right now?
you were talking to this officer.
Y'all making me seem like I'm a hard criminal.
No.
I'm not fucking.
What we gotta do?
No crazy.
Step.
Yes, correct.
On, the more you try to deny makes you look more guilty. So just do the test. If you're passing, you're good. If you don't, you're not good.
Go ahead, officer.
All right?
Just stand, legs together, just like you are. Hands at your side. I want you to follow. No. Well, first you're going to follow my step. All I want you to do is follow heads like it's clamp play. Gesture. It's an automatic arrest.
Yeah.
So go through the test. If you pass the test,
So just put me under arrest. Come on, let's go.
Step.
No.
Just arrest me. I don't do at this point.
Stephanie, drop your stuff. Okay.
So I want to do it fast.
Yep.
No, hold on. Let me
No, too late. Come on.
Come on, I have my ride coming right now.
Too late. Put chains on your back for me, okay?
So how many chances did we get?
What the fuck is this?
Chance after chance. Why don't you just take your... Well, you had a chance.
Y'all act like I'm a criminal.
Stop, you could have been on your way.
Wait, I got my car. My ride coming for me. God.
You jumped in the maximum line.
All right, cool. Cool.
Wait, hold on a second.
We have all your stuff here, okay?
Hold on, Megan.
Okay.
Are they gonna be able to?
Are you refusing everything? We have to go through a series of questions, but we'll get to that when we get back in processing, okay?
This is some. And then you go and do something wrong. The hell?
Nope.
Go in, we'll take you to run it out, we'll test on you. You're good. If it comes up 0-0, then maybe did you use any drugs or anything?
Absolutely not. Oh, you crazy?
I can smell alcohol on you from here.
Okay, man, I don't do drugs.
Okay. So you were drinking?
No, I was not drinking. That was probably last night.
Okay. We could have went through the test.
That's not my phone. That's my car key.
Your phone's right there.
I know. This is ridiculous.
How many times did we ask you to go through the test and you didn't want to do it?
Yo, let me call Rick from Morristown. Rick was my back. You know Rick, right?
No.
You don't know? Rick was
What's he gonna have for you? I don't understand.
Yeah, I'm gonna call Rick. Hold on. Nah, you should leave my purse right there. I don't
Folks
want
got to come with you.
Oh, the purse gotta come with me? Oh, okay. Just put
In
my
there
phone
you're not supposed to have?
I'm under arrest.
Hold on.
Do you have anything in your purse you're not supposed to have?
Hey,
Cool.
you think I'm a drug addict? I don't got that.
Stop moving.
Go ahead. Turn it in the face.
Anything in your bra?
You can go through everything you want. Go ahead. You can look through everything you want. You can look through my car too. Y'all got these things. How can
We're taking the whole bag.
I'm not going to front park. Hold on. Can you lock my car? Because my car's about to come pick me up.
Oh, jeez.
Your car has to get impounded.
Oh,
Is it
no.
your car?
No, it's not.
Whose car is it?
This is my vehicle.
It's her car. It's
That's what I
registered to
just
her.
said.
Yes.
You said no.
But I had somebody to come pick me up because this nice gentleman right here told
Listen, when you get arrested for drunk driving,
Columbia Turnpike.
John's lost his way to impound the vehicle.
Columbia Turnpike, did you make that right at park?
Well, you are.
Just punch it.
You
Punch
can't
it
while
in.
you're under arrest.
Who's following?
Well, you
Who could
didn't
do the
allow
box?
the officers to try and
Did Burns
disprove
do
it because you refused to do any of the tests.
Burns, can you do the box or no? No?
It's too late now. Once we arrest you, we can't unarrest you and take the test.
Yeah.
This is absolutely.
You denied it how many times? You walked away and you came
I
back.
didn't want to do no.
And you said just arrest you. And we gave you.
No, I'm not going to Farm Park. Come on, man. Can you guys leave my car right here?
Send one of our guys to operate.
Can you leave my car right here? Can you at least wait for my car driver to come over here?
No, the car has to get towed.
Come on. Oh my. Like,
Yeah.
People out here. I'm from Morristown. You know, that's my godfather. Let me call him. Let me call him, or let me call which one of them. Well, I will call him and I will tell them. Come on, please. What am I about to do?
You just do me a favor. Can you grab my phone from the desk? If there's anything.
Yeah, your phone's at the desk now?
Yeah, if you don't mind, just grab it before I head out. Yep. No, it's up on the desk 2.
I'm about to call. Can I get?
Just put it in the car. Yeah. Stephanie, come on. Let's go. Come on.
No, hold on.
No, we're going. We're going.
Hold on.
We're going to the car.
Hold on a second.
Come on, walk to the car. Walk to the car with me. Come on. Come on.
Can you call my
I have your phone. You have everything here, okay? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stay going this way. Come on.
Hold on
Come
a
on.
second. This is crazy as yo. I don't even doing nothing but business. I got you. I got you. I got you.
All right. You're good to go.
Can you lock my car, please?
It's locked.
It's locked?
We have the keys.
No, it's not.
We have the keys.
Can you give me my car keys?
It's getting towed.
No.
John's Law.
I can't.
Yes.
I don't have money for that.
John's Law. Come on. Come on. First.
Yo, this.
With these rights in mind, you wish to speak to me. Okay. All right, we're gonna head over to Florham Park.
This is stupid.
Even in a tense atmosphere, her disputatious nature was still at large. The question lingered, what benefit did it truly yield for her?
Nah, I don't live in Morristown.
Where do you live at?
You guys got the wrong person arrested. Y'all got arrested, but y'all should have arrested. He's a convicted felon. That's all I want to know.
Okay. I was he with you today?
He was with me because he was supposed to support me.
Support me? Okay.
I need to get to go to court because he started arguing with me back and forth in the stupid at all. I'm like, you can't do that here. It's court.
Oh, arguing in the court?
What?
Arguing in court? You guys were in court arguing? You were arguing inside the courtroom or outside the courtroom?
Yeah, inside the courtroom. He was arguing with me. And I was like, yo, you can't do that here. And I'm like, you can't do that here. So my job tells you can't argue against the
All right, so we are here. Okay.
But like I was saying too, this is like because I went there for my court date. It was not his court date. It was my court date, and he was acting oblivious. This is we're in a court environment. You can't do that. These are court people who are here. These are professionals. You cannot do that here. And he kept turning up. And then guess who gets arrested? Like I said. That's why y'all gonna be laughing when y'all do that fertilizer. Do it.
The woman was subsequently arrested and issued motor vehicle summonses for DWI, refusal to submit to a breathalyzer test, reckless driving, and driving with an open container of alcohol. While that woman refused to obey the cops' orders, our next individual was an older woman who was continually doing bizarre behavior even at such an age.
So that being said, I am going to conduct an investigation in DUI.
The incident is centered around a 72-year-old woman named Nancy on the 29th of December, 2023 in St. Johns County, Florida. The police saw a woman in a yellow vehicle and suspected something was wrong. Therefore, they approached the woman to look into the matter. After the engagement, they questioned Nancy and issued her an order. During questioning, her awkward demeanor was visible and it prompted the authorities to go to an extended length. Besides, they also discovered her misdeeds, which raised red flags. Due to her bizarre condition, she went through lengthy assessments. What was the outcome of it?
You passed me at 61, it's a 45. You got your ID on you?
Yeah, I'm slowing down.
Well, you blew past me at, like I said, it's 61, so 45. Where are you coming from tonight?
My girlfriend's house.
Gotcha.
I live just down.
Okay. Gotcha. How old's that beer down there?
Oh.
Okay, I'll be right back. Miss Nancy is probably impaired.
Okay.
She passed me at 61. She has a beer in the center console. Her license is suspended for DUI, and she has a prior fetal testing. Nice. Yeah. Poor Nancy. Oh, and by the way, I lit her up.
I heard you say continue.
At Marlinda. Make sure I don't get hit by a car real quick. Yeah. Hey, Miss Nancy.
Yes,
hey,
sir.
Come here, let me talk to you real quick.
Please.
Just come over here. I just want to talk to you real fast, okay? We're just going to walk onto the sidewalk so that way we don't get hit by a car real fast, okay? Can you walk over there for me real quick? Come on over here for me. All right, so Miss Nancy. So listen, I'm Corporal Ellis, Sheriff's Office, okay? You understand why I stopped you, right?
Because I was going too fast, but I was slowing down.
You're still going above the posted speed limit. You passed me at 61 to 40, okay? Or 45. Listen, I can smell a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage emitting from your breath while I was talking to you, okay?
No,
well,
no.
It's actually, yes, it's getting stronger the more you talk. Your eyes are bloodshot, water ain't glassy, okay? So that being said, I am going to conduct an investigation in DUI, and I am going to ask you to consent to some standardized field sobriety exercises. Is that something you'd be willing to do for me?
Yes, I had my hip replaced.
Oh, no worries.
3 months ago.
Okay. Do you have anything wrong with your eyes?
Please. Not that I know of.
No, so you have good vision?
No.
No, yeah, that's what I mean. Do you have anything wrong with your eyes? Are you nearsighted, farsighted, astigmatism, anything like that?
Nearsighted, and I had cataracts done about a month ago.
Okay. Are you currently wearing contacts?
No, sir.
Have you ever had any head trauma?
No, sir.
All right. Are you diabetic?
No, sir.
Are you epileptic?
No, sir.
All right. Have you ever had a seizure?
No.
Do you have to take any type of medication to keep you alive on a daily basis?
Yes.
All right. What do you have to take?
3 months.
3 months ago? Okay. All right. First things first, I just want to look at your eyes real quick. Can you go ahead and place your feet together for me like this? All right.
I have nystagmus.
What kind of nystagmus?
There's only one kind.
No, there's not. There's a lot. So which kind of nystagmus do you have?
My eyes go back and forth like that real fast.
Right. So, but what kind? Like, there's numerous types of it. There's horizontal gaze, there's vertical gaze, there's rotational, there is... What do you have?
Please, I just got trouble.
Well, then why didn't you learn the first time if you just got in trouble? Well, you don't even have a license. You shouldn't even be driving in the first place.
I just haven't gone to pick
That's not an excuse.
I'm
hold on.
begging.
Okay. But I don't want to get hit by your phone. Will you hold this?
I am begging you.
Okay, well, listen. I've got to do my job. Okay? So, here's the thing. Go ahead and place your hands down.
I'm an RN.
That's fantastic. Listen. Okay? Understand?
Please.
No. Can I look at your eyes real quick? Can I look at your eyes? Hey, your sister's calling me. Will you call her and see what she needs? Look right here. All right. Follow the red light with your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? Keep your eyes straight for me. Keep your eyes straight for me. All right. Keep your head straight. Don't stop moving your head, okay? Just look at the red light. All right, look right here. I'm going to hold it out the side. Just keep looking at it for me, okay? Move it real slow. Excuse me, I'm holding out here one more time. No, keep your head straight for me. Keep your head straight for me. Miss Nancy, I need you to keep your head straight as best you can for me, okay? All right, now move real slow. All right, look it straight up. All right, so Miss Nancy, I definitely see horizontal gaze nystagmus, okay? Horizontal gaze nystagmus is the involuntary jerk in the eyes that's caused by alcoholic beverages or chemical or controlled substances.
I live about 2 miles from here.
So at the end, listen, at the end of the day, you don't even have a valid driver's license. Understand
Yes,
that?
I do.
No, you don't. You have an ID card. It's not a valid license.
I just
so listen, the next two exercises I want to do is the finger to nose exercise and Romberg alphabet. Is that something you'd be willing to do for me?
Please.
Would you be willing to do the next? Well, you can stop begging, okay? I have my job to do. I have to conduct an investigation to make sure you were safe to operate that motor vehicle, which you were not even legally allowed to do in the first place.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I
We're
have
not gonna
a
argue.
legal driver's license. I just haven't gone to pick it up.
Listen, I'm not going to sit here and argue with you over and over again. Are you willing to do the next two exercises, yes or no?
I'll do whatever.
All right, cool. So go ahead and place your feet together for me. All right, can you turn and face my car, actually? Go ahead and turn and face my car. Place your feet together. Place your hands down at your side for me, okay? All right. Can you make... You're going to need to move your scarf because you're going to have to move your hands to your face. All right. So go ahead and make a fist for me. Point your index fingers to the ground. Rotate your palms over to where it's facing me, like this. Nope. Keep your hands closed in a fist. You can put your lighter in your pocket.
Please don't do this. I just... Please.
Obviously, you didn't learn the first time. So listen, go ahead and make a fist for me. Point your index fingers to the ground. Rotate your palms forward.
I can't. Those fingers don't.
You can't make a fist?
Those fingers don't work.
Okay. So can you make a fist with your left hand? Can you point your index finger to the ground in your left hand? Perfect. So you cannot make a fist with your right hand. There you go. They do work. Perfect. Stay just like that. So when I tell you to, I want you to tilt your head back and close your eyes. With your head tilted back and your eyes closed, I'm going to give you a set of commands. For example, if I say right hand, I want you to take the tip of your right finger to the tip of your nose and immediately return it to its side. Do you understand? Okay. Go ahead and tilt your head back for me. Close your eyes. Left hand. Remember, you're supposed to immediately return it to its side. Right hand. As previously stated, remove your hand and put it back to your side when you touch your nose. Left hand. You can put your hand back to your side as you're supposed to. Right hand. Whenever you want to put it down, you can. Right hand. And left hand. All right, Miss Nancy. Go ahead and stand just open your eyes for me, okay? Stay standing just like that for me. All right. Do you know your alphabet, A to Z? Okay. You said you're a registered nurse, correct? All right, so this is a simple exercise. All I'm going to have you do is recite the alphabet A to Z in a non-rhythmic manner, okay? Meaning I don't want you to sing it. Do you understand?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Wonderful. All right, I do have a couple questions to ask you, okay? Can you come stand over there by my car?
After completing the evaluation, the police took necessary action based on the outcome. All on a sudden, the whole scenario took another twist. Let's witness the video to find out.
Prior to asking you any questions, I do have to read your Miranda rights. Does not mean you're under arrest. It means I want to talk to you about your decisions you've made tonight. Listen, Nancy, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. The right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. Cannot afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you for any question if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise your rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Nancy, do you understand what I just read to you?
No.
Which part didn't you understand?
All of it.
Okay, do I need to reread it to you?
Yes.
All right, you understand you have the right to remain silent? You understand that? I need a verbal yes or no answer. All right, you understand you have the anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law? Yes. Cool. Do you understand you have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned? Yes or no? Okay. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any question if you wish. Do you understand that? Okay. You can decide any time to exercise your rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand that? Wonderful. All right. Having those rights in mind, will you be willing to answer a couple questions for me?
No.
Wonderful. All right. Take your scarf off. All right. Right now, place your hands on your back.
No. Ow! 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 Ow!
Well, Nancy, you're being placed under arrest for DUI. Now, resisting an officer, driving with a suspended driver's license, and
DUI 3 cents.
Now, will you be
DUI 2. Go stamp it on. Stamp it on offense.
I'm 72 years old. I just my pants.
So, are you willing to take a breath test for me?
Sure.
Oh, wonderful. Let's walk to the back of the car then real quick.
There was no reason to hurt me.
There's no reason for you to rip your hands away from me. Come here. Have a seat. Have a seat right there.
I my pants. You really want me to sit there?
Let's stand right there. DUI 2 cents. Reclass signal 1, adult female 1015. Be off the radio for breath test. I might need to use your instrument. I
saw that one coming. Why?
My gas standard's at 34. What's...
Well, when it runs
off for breath test.
Nancy was charged with DUI, resisting an officer, and driving with a suspended driver's license. For more videos about such individuals, hit the subscribe button.